Welcome to our 5-minute guided meditation. Find a quiet place to sit comfortably, close your eyes and allow yourself to relax. We will focus on breathing, release tension, and find inner peace. Find a quiet place where you can sit comfortably, with your spine straight but relaxed. Adjust your posture so that you feel stable and comfortable. Gently close your eyes, allowing the soft darkness to begin calming your mind. Bring your attention to your breath. Feel the air entering and leaving your body. Notice the sensation of the air as it enters your nostrils, passes through your throat, and fills your lungs. Don't try to control your breath, just observe its natural rhythm. Start to deepen your breathing. Inhale deeply through your nose, allowing the air to fill your lungs completely. Hold the breath for a brief moment, feeling the fullness. Then, slowly exhale through your mouth, letting the air out gently. Repeat this deep breathing cycle 2 more times. Feel how each breath helps to relax your body and mind, allowing tension to begin to dissipate. Now, bring your attention to your body. Do a quick scan starting from your feet. Feel your toes and feet in contact with the floor or the surface you are sitting on. Slowly move up, bringing your attention to your legs, knees, thighs, and hips. Feel the weight of your body being supported. Continue the scan, moving through your abdomen, chest, shoulders, arms, hands, neck, and head. Notice any tension, discomfort, or sensation. As you exhale, imagine releasing that tension, allowing your body to relax even more. Now focus on the center of your chest, in the heart area. Imagine a soft, warm light shining in this area. This light can be any color you desire, perhaps a comforting gold, a calming blue, or a healing green. Feel this light radiating peace and calm throughout your body. Each breath you take enhances this sense of well-being, as if you are nurturing your soul with each inhale and exhale. To rest in the presence of this light. If thoughts arise, don't cling to them. Observe them like clouds passing in the sky and gently bring your attention back to the feeling of light and peace in your chest. Imagine this light expanding, enveloping your entire body in a cloak of tranquility. Feel completely wrapped in calm and serenity. Visualize a place where you feel safe and happy. It can be a real place you have visited or an imaginary place where you feel completely at ease. Perhaps it's a tranquil beach, a serene forest, a blooming garden, or a cozy room. Spend some time mentally in this place, absorbing the tranquility and happiness it provides. Feel the sounds, smells, and sensations of this place, allowing it to become vivid in your mind. Bring your attention back to your breath. Feel the air entering and leaving your body once again. Notice how your body feels lighter and your mind clearer. Begin to gently move your fingers and toes, slowly awakening your body. Stretch if you wish, feeling each part of your body waking up gently. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes, bringing the peace and calm of this meditation into your day. Remember that you can return to this state of tranquility at any time, simply by focusing on your breath and remembering your safe place.